Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum into Request. That's that's it. Let's get into it. So basically, like every tutorial, we go to CoinMarketCap or any website that you trust. But basically, I recommend CoinMarketCap because it's the best at the moment and it's highly recommended by everyone. So we go in the search bar and you write request. You can see that's the first one. All right, you have a bunch of information: the price, market cap, the volume. We don't need that. We go to the contract section and we copy the contract address. That's it. When it shows up that it's copied, we go to the next step. Now we go to the Uniswap platform. You click on launch app, as you can see. All right, you connect your wallets. They have multiple choices. Whatever wallet you have, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase, Promatic, Portis, it doesn't matter. But for this video, I'm gonna show you how to use MetaMask. So basically, you click here. For those who doesn't have it, you have to download it, metamask.io, and download it on any browser that you are using. And then you come back to the platform, you add the token to your wallet first. But guys, please, this is the most important step. Make sure that you are on Ethereum main network. Okay, now you go down, you import the token, you click on custom token and add the token address right here. Got the token right now, and here you go, it is added now. As you can see, request is basically in your wallet. Now you go and add it to Uniswap. You click here, you paste the token address again and import it. That's it guys, this was the video. Now you can import between Ethereum into request and from request into Ethereum. And please guys, that was the video. If you liked this, enjoyed it, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Be safe, don't get scammed, use the same method I've used. See you guys.